In today's video, we're gonna take a tour of my last remote year apartment here in Cape Town, South Africa. Okay, so here is the little foyer area. There's a lot of interesting art when you walk into this apartment here. So when you first walk in, you got two rooms. You got the master bedroom straight forward, and you got my bedroom here to the left. The master bedroom does not have its own bathroom, so it wasn't a big deal for me not to get the master. My roommate actually works a lot more than me, so I went ahead and gave him the master since it has a desk in it. So here we go. So here's my bedroom from a distance, and we'll go inside here. Nice queen size bed, some more art on the wall. This one actually has a dryer in it, which is kind of interesting. Probably won't use that much since I wear mostly merino wool. And then there's this big closet setup system here. I've got all my electronics over there. I actually opened it to film this video, so that's why it's open. All right, next bedroom here. This is my roommate JG's room. Let me go ahead and turn on a light here real quick. He's not here yet. He actually gets here any moment now, which is why I'm filming. So I can film before he throws all his stuff in here. So here's his bed. It's on like a platform, which is kind of cool. It's got the stand-up mirror here. Some more cool artwork above the bed. And he's got a TV in his room. And then a huge built-in closet here. And the desk I mentioned. He'll get a lot more use out of that than I would. All right, this is the bathroom. And it's actually really, really nice. So have a towel rack here, sink area, and then the shower area over here with the rainfall shower head, so it's pretty cool. Some nice tile. Very cute bathroom. And then here is the main room here. Big giant sectional couch. Some more really cool artwork. And then as we swing around, see the balcony over here. And then somebody left their Netflix on, the last people here. But I'm sure my roommate will put his on there. And here is the kitchen. So a really big kitchen. I say this every video, it's gonna go to waste on me because I don't cook, but my roommate, JG, cooks, so. And this little sink area in the back, another washing machine. So, actually, you know, let's go out to the balcony. It's really bright out here, so hopefully it doesn't get blown out too much, but yeah, there's a nice little balcony here. Let's see if we can see the view, or it might be too dark to see the view. Yeah, it's too blown out here. I wish you could see it, but over here is like the famous Table Rock that you see in pictures of South Africa. So I'm staying a couple blocks from Kloof Street in Cape Town, South Africa. If you jumped on Airbnb, you could get a place similar to mine, 2-bedroom for somewhere between $1,000 and $1,300. If you lived in a studio, you could get that as cheap as around $700. And that's my tour of my apartment, my final remote year apartment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you like travel videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.